In this video, I will show you how you can turn off Safe Search on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your iPhone. Then in the search bar, just search the name of the search engine which you're using. In most cases, people use Google, so I'll search google.com. But if you use any other search engine, just search the name of the search engine which you're using. After that, just tap on the three lines over here. Now on this page, you will find the option for Safe Search. Now just tap on it. Now instead of blur or filter, just select off. And after you do that, the Safe Search feature will be turned off. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now before we continue, you will need the password of the parental controls for the next step. After you get the password of the parental controls, then just scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and from here just turn off this feature. And after you do that, all the parental control settings will be turned off on your iPhone, including any restrictions on the browser. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.